Turning everything into money means recognizing and leveraging value in all resources, skills, time, possessions, knowledge, relationships, and even experiences. Turn everything into money. To turn everything into money, start by changing your mindset. Value is everywhere. Everything you own or know can be leveraged, monetized, or transformed into a financial asset. 1. Monetize skills and knowledge. What do you know or do well? Writing, designing, coding, organizing, cooking, or even playing video games can be sold. Use platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or YouTube to turn your expertise into income. If you have deep knowledge in a field, create courses on Teachable or Udemy, or offer coaching. 2. Sell unused assets. Look around: clothes, gadgets, furniture, books. If it's not serving you, sell it. Platforms like eBay, Facebook Marketplace, and Craigslist can turn clutter into cash. Even your car or room can be rented on Turo or Airbnb. 3. Turn time into money. Time is the most underused resource. You can freelance, take part-time gigs, or even do gig work like deliveries or tutoring. Apps like TaskRabbit or Rover for pet sitting can help you monetize spare hours. 4. Leverage relationships. Connections have value. Refer people to services or products and earn affiliate income. Many companies offer referral bonuses or affiliate programs. Networking can also lead to job opportunities or partnerships. 5. Package experience into products. Your story, failures, and lessons can be valuable. People pay to learn from those who've walked the path. Write a blog, start a podcast, or publish an ebook. Personal branding attracts opportunities. 6. Use digital real estate. Start a website or a YouTube channel. These take time but can generate passive income through ads, sponsorships, or digital products. 7. License or rent what you own. Have photos or music, license them. Own a camera, tools, or equipment, rent them. Sites like Fat Llama or Shutterstock make this easy. 8. Learn to see opportunity. Train yourself to look at everything through the lens of value. Ask, can someone benefit from this? If yes, you can likely turn it into money. In short, everything has potential value. The key is creativity, hustle, and consistent action. Money follows those who see value where others don't. What's around you right now that you could monetize today? Subscribe, follow, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching.